Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain you all about the fever nut. The design which I'm showing here is fever nut, and when it comes to the classification, it belongs to the kingdom Plantae, and then division Phanerogamia, class Dicotyledonnae, subclass Polypetalae, series Calciflorae, and order Roselles. Here, just remember one thing: whenever it comes to the order, it always ends with LES. Okay. And now family is Leguminosae, subfamily Caesalpinidae, and species Caesalpinaceae bunduk. When it comes to the common name, it is fever nut. In Hindi, it is Kantkareja. In Sanskrit, it is Putkaranja. In Kannada, it is Gajaga. Parts used here, it is seeds and active ingredients, as you all can see. They contain seeds normally contain pines, whereas seed oil contains amorphous glycosidin bondosine, and kernel contains a phytosterol, diterpene, cysalpine. So a hemoisfilvin banducillin. Okay. And when it comes to its botanical description at the time, it contains a liana with the stems up to 15 meters long, usually armed with lots of prickles within it. Okay. And the leaves arrangement is alternate, and they're bipinnately compound leaves. They have 6 to 11 pairs of pinnae, and here the ovary is superior, and it is zygomorphic pentamerous, and there are 10 stamens which are free, and they have a filamentous hairy base. When it comes to the medicinal use of this, its leaves and the bark and roots are normally used to cure the fever, headache, and chest pain, and and also as an antihelminthic. Its medicinal uses. In West Africa, if it isn't clear, then I'll be explaining you. Don't you worry about it. In West Africa, it is used as rubefacient and as a tonic in the treatment of jaundice, as well as in the diarrhea and skin eruptions. And in Kenyan coast, the seeds and as well as the decoctions of the leaves and roots are taken to treat the asthma. Okay, and asthma is nothing but it is a kind of breathing problem, and like if there are kind of any problems during the menstruations, and also to avoid the miscarriage during the pregnancies, and as eye drops to treat internal blood clots in the eyes. Well, and in other countries like Tanzania, the powder kernel of the seed is nothing but the powdery substance which is present on the upper side of the seed. Okay, that is upper side of the seed is taken with water to treat the diabetic mellitus. And as you can also see in Somalia, the oil from the seed is used to treat rheumatism. Rheumatism is already written there, it is a joint pain. A bitter extract from the seed is known as a poor man's quinine, and quinine is nothing but it is a medicine. Okay, and is used against malaria. Example, India. And like it is used in example, India means this poor man's quinine, or the bitter extract of this fever nut is normally used in India. In tropical Asia and Pacific Ocean islands, Caesalpinaceae bunduk is important medicinal plant, as well as with large similar uses in Africa. In large doses, it behaved to be poisonous. Well, one more thing I would like to say is that the name fever nut is Caesalpinia bunduk, the scientific name, because it contains two substances, that is caesalpines as well as bandusine. Hence, the name is called as Caesalpinia bunduk. Thank you. And if you have any further doubts, then please take it in give it us in a comment box. And if you like it, then share the video and please do subscribe. Thank you.